BD Diesel's 68 RFE is an industry-leading transmission. The intricate, proprietary BD Diesel parts and technology make for a tough, dependable transmission that pushes the limit on power handling capability. It all starts off as a transmission core. These used cores are given a complete and thorough teardown and wash. Once clean, the recovered components are all thoroughly inspected, and key components are sent to our internal machine shop for modifications to increase reliability, durability, and holding power of the transmission. Our signature big stack overdrive shaft and pressure plates are machined in our in-house CNC machine shop and allow for an increase from 12 clutch frictions to 16, which contribute to increased holding power in the transmission. From there, the transmission case is media blasted to remove any remaining dirt or grime before being sent to painting. The valve body is rebuilt in-house and is given a custom bonded gasket separator plate to allow for an increase in line pressure and prevent internal leaks. A stronger proprietary accumulator plate is also installed, which helps prevent a common failure point with these valve bodies. Final assembly then begins with our transmission technicians, specially trained in the intricate process of building these 68 RFE transmissions to the BD Diesel standard. Every build incorporates such things as custom QT100 pressure plates, a steel girdle added to the 2C piston, and a heavy-duty cam and roller design for the low reverse one-way clutch. These are some of the features of BD's transmissions that not only improve the performance of the transmissions, but the longevity as well. Assembly finishes with the installation of BD's deep sump heavy-duty oil pan, which gives the transmission extra fluid and cooling capacity while reducing case flex. All transmissions are paired with BD's ProTech 68 pressure control module, which ramps up the line pressure to 250 psi to best utilize all of the holding power that has been built into these units. After final assembly, our 68 RFE transmissions are paired with a matched BD torque converter, engineered for tighter tolerances and designed for enhanced street and towing applications. The torque converter and transmission are then dyno tested together to ensure the end product meets BD's requirements for ultimate performance and reliability. Whether you use your vehicle for towing, street, or track, if you're looking for a dependable transmission that will stand up to your diesel's power and torque demands, the clear choice is BD. BD Diesel Performance. We get you there.